friends, this is Shilpa from Mystic Vision by Shilpa. Today I'm going to talk to you about Lion Reiki. Lion Reiki is given to us by Stephanie Braille, who channelized this in 2008. Now, when I say lion, what comes to your mind first? King of jungle, a royal animal, brave, strong, creative, courageous, or something else? There are many characteristics of the lion, and which will simply be imbibed in you through attunement of Lion Reiki energy. Now you may ask, creativity? Is the lion a painter, an artist? No, friends. Here we are talking about the creative ways the lion uses in his life. Have you ever seen a lion hunting? His method is very different and unique from other animals. He slowly and noiselessly approaches his prey, makes him feel very comfortable, and then in one pounce attacks him. The lion has many more qualities which some of them we are not even aware of. But we are going to learn in this workshop everything about the lion. In many places, the lion is also compared to the sun god. His golden color symbolizes that as well. We channel all these energies and all these characteristics and traits of the lion via the Lion Reiki attunement. Lion Reiki works very effectively in a person who is having low confidence. It boosts the confidence and also nurtures and strengthens the risk-taking ability in a person. If you want to take some decisions in a business and are unable to do so, Lion Reiki helps tremendously. This form of Reiki helps in protection as well. This form of Reiki also helps in healing various types of pain. To name a few, stomach pain, ear pain, and few more, which will be taught to you in the workshop. Again, at any point in time, if you feel low on energy, then with just the help of a few minutes of Lion Reiki, you can become fully energized. This form of Reiki helps to clear your chakras as well. There are n number of benefits of learning Lion Reiki, friends. And to learn this modality, you need not know Usui Reiki. Means it is not mandatory for you to have learned Usui Reiki. You can learn Lion Reiki on its own. For further details, you can contact me via the details given in the description below. Bye-bye.